There are several tricks you can try to boost the speed of your PC. Uninstall unnecessary programs. Uninstall any programs that you no longer use or need. This will free up space on your hard drive and potentially reduce the amount of background processes running on your system. Disable startup programs. Disable any programs that automatically start up when you turn on your computer. This will reduce the amount of time it takes for your computer to boot up. Clean up your hard drive. Delete any unnecessary files, folders, or programs that are taking up valuable space on your hard drive. You can also use disk cleanup tools to free up space. Defragment your hard drive. Defragmenting your hard drive can help to speed up your computer by rearranging files so that they are stored in contiguous blocks. Upgrade your RAM. If your computer is running slow, it may be because you don't have enough RAM. Upgrading your RAM can help to boost your computer's speed. Use a solid-state drive, SSD. SSDs are faster and more reliable than traditional hard drives. If your computer is still using a traditional hard drive, consider upgrading to an SSD. Update your drivers. Make sure that all of your drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can cause performance issues. Disable visual effects. Disabling visual effects, such as animations, can help to improve your computer's performance. Scan for malware. Malware can slow down your computer. Make sure that you have a reliable antivirus program installed and regularly scan your computer for malware. Restart your computer regularly. Sometimes, simply restarting your computer can help to speed it up by clearing out any background processes that may be slowing it down.